Hey human! On today's Vlogmas, I'm excited to share some makeup hacks for women over 40. Trust me, flawless makeup isn't as complicated as it seems. It's all about a few simple tricks and the right mindset. The secret? It all starts with your skin. A well-nurtured, hydrated, and prepared skin doesn't need layers of product to shine. So let's dive into this journey of going from less to flawless. I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. To start, I will say prep your canvas. Think of your skin as the canvas for your art. Start by moisturizing those lips with a lip balm. You'll be surprised how much smoother your lipstick will look. Next, apply a mattifying primer. This will help to control the shine and hold everything in place. This primer I'm using is from Barriers Cosmetics, and when it comes to foundation, less is more. I am also using Barriers foundation. Yes, we have a foundation, but we are testing the waters. Less is more. Apply it in small bits and blend. It not only ensures the makeup lasts longer, but also prevents it from sitting in fine lines, keeping your skin looking youthful and fresh. I hope you understand what I mean by those fine lines, where you see your makeup breaking, especially around your lips. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So go back in if you think you need more and apply your foundation only in the areas where you think you need more. Like for me, I usually will come back and apply on my cheekbones and my forehead because I do not do the whole highlighting process. This stands as that for me. The next step that I would like to talk about is the eyes. The eyes have it. For the eyes, I rely on my trusty Barrett's angle brush. This brush is a game changer. It's like having 4 brushes in one. It works the eyelid, contours the nose bridge, as you can see, and even blends like a pro. Pro tip: use a fluff brush to apply shadow directly and evenly. It's like magic. Yes, this Barriers fluff brush is like magic. You want to take that to the bank. I said so. So, I start with dark shades on the eyelids, transitioning to brighter tones if needed for a subtle lift. If I want a natural polished look, powder takes care of any spills or harsh lines. Now, let's talk about the flawless game. For powder application, I recommend dividing your face into sections and working methodically. Add a little extra where needed. Remember, powder can correct and refine. When it's time to fill in the brows, don't stress about perfection. Use a brown pencil to draw or fill. And if you make a mistake, grab a flat brush with a little foundation to fix it. That's exactly how I correct mistakes, because sometimes you make mistakes. So in this video, I try to mimic a mistake. So I made the brows slightly bigger than I would. So like I said, there's nothing a little foundation and a flat brush cannot fix. Just like I am doing in this video. Trust me, you do not need to be afraid at all. This is really seamless to do. So we have worked with the foundation. Do not forget to blend that excess oiliness off, and next you want to set it all with a brow gel, and voila, your brows are ready to slay. For that natural eye pop, a thin layer of black eye pencil on the lash line works wonders. I like to follow this with a touch of brown powder. What does it do? It basically brightens the eyes naturally. This trick gives you that youthful, wide-eyed look without overdoing it. A light touch of powder blush brings life to your cheeks, but don't overdo it. Too much blush can unintentionally add years, and we're all about looking our best, right? Luscious lips. For a subtle highlight, use a light shade of powder in the middle of your lips. Follow that with a matte lip stain. Here's a tip I learned from my late mom, and it's my favorite. When outlining your lips, bring the pencil slightly inside the lip for a natural look. Just like I am doing. But you may find that this doesn't look right. We're about to correct that. I will basically follow that by a touch of brown powder to contour. The result? A perfectly balanced, fuller looking lips. Because I lined it also with a matte lip stain. The finishing glow. To highlight, I use metallic dust on the high points of my face. That will be my cheekbone, the nose, and the bridge of my nose. It adds a soft radiant glow that completes the look. The big reveal. Now for the grand finale. Swap in my scarf for a wig and bam! I'm transformed into a flawless, glowing version of myself. From less to flawless. If you're feeling lost or clueless about makeup, don't worry. We've all been there. Start small, embrace the process, and remember, you are enhancing your natural beauty, not covering it. Take your time. Try out these steps, and soon you will be creating your own signature look with ease. Makeup doesn't have to be intimidating. It's a tool to express yourself, feel confident, and have fun. Let's celebrate our beauty at every stage of life, because life after 40, honey, is just getting started. I'll see you in my next video.